Alright, hello everyone. We're going to be removing this handle on a 2011 Prius V. It's already kind of taken apart here. I went through the whole process so I can explain it to you guys quickly and efficiently as possible. So the tools you're going to need are going to be a T30 Torx bit. Hopefully that's picking up on that. Move the, there we go, maybe. Probably didn't do anything, but T30 Torx bit, panel pry tool to remove it, possibly a flathead screwdriver, and I had to use a little pick tool to help me out. It's not the easiest process, to be honest with you. So you're gonna start by removing this little plastic cap here. You don't have to start here. So what I did, remove this plastic cap here. Inside of that, you are going to attach your Torx bit in whatever way you choose. You're going to loosen up a little screw here. I believe you can see it in the camera there. There's a little T30 screw there. You're gonna be able to pull this out in one simple piece. You're gonna set that aside. Your door handle will not come out like most vehicles there. So we're gonna move around to the inside of the vehicle with our tools here. I'm gonna reposition you just a little bit. Okay. I'll reposition you to here for this process. Okay. In the vehicle, you are going to have two screws. So these are going to be just basic Phillips heads. I don't know if I mentioned that in tools needed. Sorry about that. You're going to need a little Phillips head, just a little size 22 or whatever most will fit. So you're going to have one here. You're going to have this little piece. He's going to be in here. You're going to stick your little flathead, pop him out this way. You're going to have one in there. So do that one. You're going to have one in here underneath this little mat. You're going to go in, take that one out. You're then going to take your pry tool, or however you choose to take this off, and start pulling this apart. Behind the door panel, you're going to have these little hooks here. They're going to simply pull straight back, and it's just a little ball that fits into a little socket. Very simple. You're going to take that off. The door panel can actually kind of gently rest here. With that, we're going to move into the vehicle. I'm going to need to reposition you a little bit. Okay. This is going to be difficult to show. I'm going to likely take the camera off the tripod in just a bit. You're gonna have this little yellow lever. You're gonna move this lever, boom, all the way back here, all the way to the left. Now the difficult part comes with this little connector piece here. These black pieces are going to be on and attached. You're going to have to pinch this one, separate it, and this one was very difficult. So I'll bring it out here to help you, as this took me a little bit to figure out. So you're gonna have this little piece that's holding onto a little black rail right here. And then this piece is going to be attached to this connector. Like this, makes it kind of difficult to push this little prong here because it's blocking it from this direction. So you're gonna need to, I personally use a little hook tool, snuck it in here and separated that and then pulled it off. And then I also used the little hook tool to press here a little bit, and if that didn't work, I went in and I could manually pull this tab back because it's gonna be connected to the door. And there's also gonna be one more little Torx bit in here that you're gonna need to do. Hopefully we can see that it's just right here. And that's a pretty simple one to get to. Right there, you're gonna pull that out, another Torx bit, like I said there. And then you're gonna be able to go to the other side of the handle here, and then you could jimmy the handle out, is because the handle is going to be directly connected to this connector in the back. So major pain in the rump, a lot of work to get this handle off. I'm gonna be wrapping this vehicle, so I had to pull this handle off. But that's gonna be that. To get the door handle off of a 2011 Prius V. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.